Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In this video, we'll be learning about lists and tables. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I'll provide the link in the description box. So without wasting time, let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
Hey guys, so to start our video, I'll open my VS Code, and my VS Code has been opened, and I'll create a new file. First let me select a folder, and I'll create a new file called lists and tables.html. The extension for HTML file is .html. Let me quickly put the boilerplate and name it as lists and tables. And first we'll be talking about lists. There are two types of list called ordered list and unordered list. So first we'll be talking about ordered list. To write an ordered list, you should type OL and press enter. So let me give a heading. I gave a heading, and so let us start our topic. To write a order list, you should type OL. OL means order list, and inside OL you should make a list by writing li. Li means list. Li. So let me create two li's. Instead of writing li two times, you can just write li into 2, li into 2. VS Code makes our work more easier. If you want 10 li's, you can type 10 li into 10, and I got 10 li's, so I want 2 li's now. And I'll use a multi-cursor functionality using Alt and my mouse, and I'll write OL list 1, and here I'll be writing OL list 2. Let me save it and open my live server, and my live server has been opened. As you can see, I didn't even wrote first one and second one, but still it came OL list 1, OL list 2. This is about OL list. Let me add more elements here. Li into, let me add 4 elements more, and let me use the multi-cursor functionality. OL list, and here I'll name as 3, here 4, and here 5, here and here 6. Let me save it, and as you can see here, there are 6 lists right here. So this is about order list. You can also change order list to 1, 2, 3 to ABC and Roman numbers. You should type, and you can write A, capital A for capital A list, and small a for small a list. And if you want Roman numbers, just use capital I, and here you got Roman numbers. So you can use more, you can try more and say in the description box. If you have any comments and doubts, you can say in the description box. So this is about order list. Let us talk about unordered list. UL means unordered list, and let me put a list inside this, and list will be 6 lists. And let me use the multi-cursor functionality. And write UL lists, and here are that 1, and here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let me save it, and in unordered list you got points. So let me try to change it. Type, oh, you didn't suggested me. Type But if I write in order list, it suggested me type, but why it's not suggesting me in UL? Nothing will happen. So let me write use the Roman numbers here. Oh, but it's not changing. This is unordered list. In unordered list, you cannot change the values. So this is about lists, ordered list and unordered list. So let us talk about tables now. So this is the structure of a table. You can style this table using CSS. We will be starting our CSS course soon. To start a table, you should write table. And in table, you should make two sections called T head and T body. In the T head, you should write the content like names and class. So inside T head, you should make TR called table row. TR means table row. TR. And in T head, you should use TH. I want 3 TH. So 3H into 3. And here I'll write name, class, and ID. Let me save it. As you can see that this became a little bold. So let us write our T body content now. I'll do the same TR, and in T body I'll use TD instead of TH. TD into 3. Name is Niranjan, class is 7th, and ID is 1 2 3 4 5. And let me save it. As you can see that here a small table became here. So we can style this using CSS. Let me create more content. TR, TD into 3. Here I will write Kiran and 7, roll number is ID is 2 3 4 5 6, and another, and here I will write TD into 3, and here I'll write Pawan, and here class 7th, is ID is 3 4 5 6 7, and another TR inside that TD into 3 named Tejas, and 7 4 5 6 7 8, and another TR and TD into 3. Here Sham is class is 7th and his ID is 5 6 7 8 9. Let me save it. As you can see that here a small table formed. You can style this using CSS and make your table look like this. So you can add more elements in this. So in this video we learned about OL list, which means unordered list, ordered list, and UL list, which means unordered list. In ordered list you can change the content and values, and in unordered list you cannot change it. And we learned about table. In table there are two sections called T head and T body, just like the head tag and the body tag. This all content comes under body. And in T head tag you should use TR and TH. TR means table row, and in the body tag you should use table row and TD instead of TH. So that much for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe Tech Learners for more coding videos, and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.